Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have a special video, a watch sent to me by Mario from Bricktop. Hi Mario, hope you're doing well. A watch he was really happy with until he found a spec, as we can see on the here. Let me get up at the 5 o'clock. You can see it right there. And he tried to open the case and to get it out, but he didn't succeed. And what happened is the crown is also still not engaged. So I'll try to help him out. First, I'll try by opening the case. This method makes it easier to open the case. Not easier actually, but more safe for the case, so you don't scratch it, where you just press on the case. It looks like Mario closed it well, so I have to engage the mechanical connection. Here we go. And we can get this out of the way. Okay, so let's see. First thing, let's get this. It's non-mechanical, so it won't be magnetized. So I can remove this movement guard out of the way. And let's see. I think I have to push inside to remove the crown. Okay, let me check out how to where is the exact point, because I have to wear my 12X and then show you guys in the camera. So as you can see, there is a lot of empty spaces all around here. Oh. So as you can see, all these empty spaces. Oh, sorry about that. Trying a new rig with this light, and as you can see, if we press on the middle, so if you press here, where did I just press? It is engaged actually. The good thing with wood, it's not, oops, sorry, it's not too strong. I just pushed, I think it's there, yeah. I actually can removed it without removing this down clamp. I just, let's see if, yeah, the good thing with oh, yeah, you see the Chinese workmanship is not the highest quality wise, or at least the quality control is not the highest wise, but let's see if it worked. I'll put this one up just to close it, so we don't get any other kind of debris inside. We have to just put it on the edges. There we go. Just at least like this. At least we make the eye control. Is there something inside? the smudge is still inside, right? The particle is not anymore inside, but I can see a smudge. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it, right? Okay, let's see if the crown closes. It's just a bit hard to close the crown with these gloves. Yeah, the crown is still not closing. These gloves are not helping, to be honest. Maybe I have to open it again and really remove the crown and really put it back in, because the smudge bothers me. Okay, so let's do it. So the video turned to be out longer than I expected, guys. So if you're still watching, if you still like this kind of content, be sure to leave a like, also subscribe, because it does help the channel. And here we go, we take this out. I can even take this out, put it here so I don't lose it, because my idea is that I'll take this Rodico and I will put it on the end here so that I can clean the smudge. So let's see if we can remove the stone creme. First thick, and then the issue is with working and doing the video at the same time is that I cannot go onto the movement with my 12x, so you cannot guys can see, so I have to pause and come back to you guys.